Hi, today I'm gonna make Chinese shrimp and chive pie. Golden brown outside with shrimp and chives inside. Every bite is so delicious. These are all the ingredients we need. I use non-stick wok to make dough cause it's non-sticky. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of hot water, and 1/3 cup of cold water. Mix them together. Then use my hands to knead it. You can use a food mixer for sure. When your hands and wok are clean, rest the dough for about 30 minutes. After that, knead the dough again about 5 minutes. Give another 30 minutes to rest. Time will make dough super elastic and soft. Now, let's make the filling. Shrimp is so delicious. Cut it into small clumps. Chinese chive is a special ingredient. It should be finely chopped. Crack 3 eggs and beat them evenly. Then cook the eggs. Make them into small clumps. Boil some water. Cook 2 pieces of vermicelli about 1 minute. Transfer into cold water and cool it down. Then finely chop it. Put it in a big bowl. Then the chives, eggs, and shrimp. Add some soy sauce, sesame oil, oyster sauce, white pepper powder, Sichuan pepper powder, and some salt. Mix them together until they're well combined. Now the dough is ready to use. Apply some oil in the hands. Then grab a small dough, about 80 grams. Flatten it slowly. Add 2 spoons of filling. Wrap it little by little. The dough is pretty soft, so it's very easy to close the opening. It's done. It looks like a ball at first, so press it gently and flatten it. Then a pie is born. Add some oil in a big pan. Cook the pie on low heat. Little pressure to make it thin and round. Each side of a pie should be cooked about 5 to 6 minutes, and make sure to keep low heat at all times. Flip it from time to time until the pie is golden brown on both sides. Then take it out and have a taste. Look at those gorgeous, super golden brown and shiny, super fresh and tasty. I bet you'll like it. I'm Ken Man. See you next time.